broadly literature identifies three major sources for locating a theme for a research problem. One being personal experience, other being literature review, and within literature review there has been identification of two major categories. One is the empirical research, the other one being a theoretical foundations, which we broadly call as conceptual grounding of research. Now we will consider these three sources of research themes. Say we may start talking about personal experience as one of the first thing.
Yeah, talking about the personal experience, many a time we have found that students depend on the personal experience, mainly based on their experience with the educational phenomena.
Right.
In there when they were as a student, or even when they were teaching, or an experience as a teacher educator one would had. That is generally seen as where it starts. Will that be the most important criterion, or will that be the basis on which we go further into the to the review of literature?
Actually, what do we mean by personal experience? See, as a professional, when you are working in a particular context of education, you are continually observing the various aspects of the phenomenon with which you are concerned. Say for example, if you are a teacher educator, you are dealing with the trainee teachers, you are dealing with the curriculum, you are dealing with the context of teacher education, you are dealing with the schools which are affiliated to the teacher education institution. Similarly, if you are a teacher, then you are dealing with students and the school textbook, you are dealing with the community and the parents of the students, you are dealing with the management and the policies of the government which deals with you or which implies certain things for you. Or similarly, if you are working in a different context, you would have certain experiences that goes with you. As you keep on observing, the experiences become richer and richer, and when you are experiencing something, you are not just receiving things. You are not just experiencing doesn't mean an input kind of a device. It is essentially it is an interactive, iterative kind of a process. When you observe something, it may challenge your understanding. It may also create some kind of a questions in your mind as to why this is happening. Say for example, if for a school teacher, one may say that if certain students from certain sections are not coming regularly to the school, that itself becomes a question for the teacher as to why these children are not able to come. So, these kinds of experiences create certain kind of questions in your mind, and that may be one of the basis for undertaking research.
Yeah,